almost 2 years now, and Anushka Sharma is back to the grind of promoting her film again. So you're coming back to promotions circle, and you're going to get used to it now. Puri preparation hai, I think after Matru Ki Bijli Ka Mandola, now you're promoting a film.
Yeah, I mean, like, people didn't see me for almost 2 years.
Yes.
And now for the next 7 months, you're, I think, only going to see me.
Exactly.
So I'm making up for lost time. And how?
So moving on to PK, you're back with Rajkumar Hirani and Amir Khan, the gang, famous to give blockbuster hits. You initially, when Rajkumar Hirani actually approached you for it, surprised थी कि you were that feeling sunk in at that time कि
That's
अच्छा.
a very funny story, actually. You know, it was very bizarre because what happened was that I had just come out of a trial, Rockstar का trial, and I walked out and मैं बहुत emotional हो गई थी इस film को देख के, you know, so I was feeling very भावुक and lost and usually also मैं काफी zone out हो जाती हूँ, you know, suddenly. And I saw Sir there, and you know, we just had like a little conversation, and then I went back. The next morning when I woke up, I was like, you know, some like words and some sentences of our conversations are coming back to me, like मैं scripting के last stages पे हूँ, मैं call करूँगा. And I was like, oh my god, what have I done? So I went, I called him.
अच्छा आपको याद ही नहीं था कि ऐसा कुछ conversation था?
I was completely zoned out. So I thought he was having small talk with me. And also what happens is I get you know, I get very nervous sometimes to talk to people in like trials and all. It's very awkward places, you know. So I was like saying more and not listening. And yeah, so he said that, and I'm lost because I'm thinking about
Rockstar.
and I'm discussing that with him. And I called him and I said, so if that's what he was saying, I'm so sorry, I was zoned out, but if you weren't, then please ignore this. And he's like, मैं वही सोच रहा था यार कि
Conversation क्या था तब?
He's like, मैं यही सोच रहा था कि 3 Idiots is not enough.
अच्छा मतलब ऐसा क्या बोला आपने?
He's like, तू मैं no, he's like, मैं तुम्हें मतलब बता रहा था मैं, और you've not responded only, so I'm thinking यार नहीं करेगी ये तो.
But by the time I'm sure.
Thank God ये confusion clear हो गया.
Okay, and come back to PK. Of course ये 2 posters इस समय यहाँ पर हैं, लेकिन क्या आपके भी आमिर खान जैसे इतने ही अवतार हैं, अलग-अलग costumes में आप देखने वाली हैं?
You know, ये आप लोगों का टेस्ट है कि आप लोग हमसे सवाल पूछेंगे फिल्म के बारे में.
And एक ही जवाब मिलेगा कि आप 19 दिसंबर को देखिए.
19 दिसंबर को फिल्म देखिए.
तो क्या आप जितने भी सवाल होने वाले हैं सिर्फ यही होने वाले हैं आंसर?
हम एक्चुअली ना, मैं भी काफ़ी ना वैसे जो मैं यूजुअली नहीं होती हूँ, मैं काफ़ी ना आई एम क्वाइट स्ट्रेट फॉरवर्ड. तो अभी बिकॉज ऑफ दीज प्रमोशंस मैं काफ़ी टेढ़ा यहाँ वहाँ जाके कमिंग बैक टू द सेम टॉपिक जैसे वैसे बात करने लगी हूँ. आई थिंक लाइक हम लोग ना बहुत इन्फॉर्मेशन चाहते हैं, और हमारे पास वैसे भी बहुत ज़्यादा इन्फॉर्मेशन होती है फिल्मों के बारे में जब हम देखने जाते हैं. सो मे बी आई थिंक पीपल विल एक्सपीरियंस कि आप जाओ, आपको ज़्यादा कुछ पता नहीं है. 3 Idiots में एटलीस्ट यू नो यू न्यू चेतन भगत का से इंस्पायर्ड है उसकी बुक से, बट हियर यू हैव नो आइडिया. सो आई थिंक इट विल बी लवली, यू नो, या, एंड you'll experience and you'll discover the film for yourself instead of already knowing कि अच्छा मैं ये देखने जा रहा हूँ और ये अनुष्का ऐसी होगी और आमिर ऐसा होगा. So it's good, I think.
But at least we know this much, that you're playing a role of a columnist or a journalist.
A journalist.
Yeah, so role reversal, of course. But then what kind of journalist? Hardcore journalist, or what kind of a journalist are you playing? Like us, holding a pen or paper or something like that? And
Nice
reporting
try. Nice try.
Come on, Anushka, कुछ तो
शपथ लिए यार.
कौन सी जर्नलिज्म की कौन सी कैटेगरी में वो तो बोल दो. Seriously. Okay.
I can't tell you. See, I feel so bad for you all, yeah. Because
Yeah,
I mean,
because
like,
all your interviews earlier, you have been so open about your role. यहाँ सिर्फ nothing.
But मैं actually बताना भी नहीं चाहती हूँ. I really want you all to just discover it. It's I mean, okay, let's just say that I'm not a journalist just because job देनी थी मुझे. You know कि लड़की क्या काम करती होगी, अच्छा journalist बना देते हैं. I'm there for a reason. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. And also promotions में Amir is going to smaller towns also. तो आप भी उनके साथ जाने वाली हैं कि it's going to be a different kind of promotion?
No, I also will be traveling. एक आध जगह I think I won't be able to go because I'm like doing something. But yeah, mostly I'm going everywhere. Yeah.
Okay. And moving on from PK, next year you'll have back-to-back release. NH10 trailer is going to be attached with PK. So teaser is going to be attached with PK. So how did that come about?
I don't know. I just happened to have a conversation with sir, and I said, sir, you think I can put like my teaser with PK? And I asked it like very like I thought he's going to say no. So then I said try मान लिया. And he said, of course, मैं बात करता हूँ, and then like somehow, you know, whatever, he's like, I think that was very nice of him. It's very
And it's going to be special for you because, of course, it's your first production also. So we all are going to see the trailer. So very special moment for you also.
Yeah, I think it's something that I'm doing and I've enjoyed doing, and I think जैसा मैं चाहती थी हो इस फिल्म के साथ, like the way I imagined it to be an extent, it's shaped up like that. So I'm pretty happy, and I just want to like get reactions, you know.
After the of course.
After teasers and then a trailer and whatever follows.
Okay, and of course there are other things also that are making news with you, Anushka.
Are they?
Yeah, of course. Why no? You've given an interview yourself. We won't talk about that. But then there has been a news. No, but little related to that. Right, okay. There's been news that, you know, YRF has offered you and Virat a film. So is that happening or no?
Didn't it sound funny to you and like really silly to you?
Yes, no, but then nothing. Our job is to confirm that news or
nothing like that is happening. There's absolutely no truth to this.
But would you want to be paired opposite him ever in a film?
No. No? Because he's good doing what he does and I'm good doing what I'm doing.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.